This is a help video for adding integers. A lot of students don't understand the idea of how positives and negatives add together. I've been trying to teach the number line, but it doesn't seem to work, so maybe this method will work. So we're going to say positives are blue dots and negatives are red dots. And our rule is that when we add positives, blues and reds together, positives and negatives, they'll cancel each other out. So I'll give an example here. Let's say I've got positive 6 plus a negative 3. That'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus a negative 3. 1, 2, 3. So 6 blue dots, 3 red dots. Now the rule is that when you add them together, they cancel each other out. So my 3 reds are going to cancel out 3 of my blues. 1, 2, 3, and these are gone. So I am left with 3 blue dots, or a positive 3. I'll try another one. Let's say negative 5 plus 2, positive 2. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 negatives plus a positive 2. 1, 2. And they will cancel each other out. So I've got 2 blue dots that cancel out 2 red dots. These are gone. I'm left with 1, 2, 3, 3 red dots, or negative 3, since red represents my negatives. So the concept is, whatever side you have more of, your negatives or your positives, is the sign of what you'll end up with. Like if I had negative 10 plus 12, that's going to be 12 blue dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And 10 red dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I can see that whatever I end up with is going to be positive. I have more positives than I have negatives. So these 10 negatives will cancel out 10 of my positives, leaving me with positive 2. Now I can extend this to really, really big numbers, or just even bigger numbers where we can't draw dots. Let's say I've got negative 143 plus say 150. I'm not going to be able to draw 143 red dots and 150 blue dots. But I know that I'm going to have more blue dots than red dots. So my answer is going to be positive. I just have to find out how many more blue dots I'm going to have than red dots. Well, I can take 150 minus 143 and know that I have 7 more blue dots than I have red dots. So if you get away from the number line and you start thinking of these in terms of these dots that are represented by the number, then you can get to the answer a little bit easier. One more example. Negative 7 plus negative 6. So I've got 7 red dots. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 red dots. So I'm not going to have any positives here. I'm going to be left with my 7 red dots, and 6 red dots is going to give me 13 red dots. And since my reds represent negative, that would be negative 13. So hopefully this idea of dots as positives and negatives helps you.